Hello everybody, this is MC. I hope you're having a good day. And what I'm going to cover now is something, it finally happened, folks. It has finally happened. The gloves are finally coming off, and Trump is now getting serious. He has finally now got the people in place, something that should have happened under good old Keebler Elf. Jeff Sessions has finally, now that he's gone, you're starting to see action taking place against this kind of absolute criminality. So what I'm referring to? What I'm referring to is this article right here. Massachusetts judge faces federal charges for blocking the immigration arrest. Boston, April 25th, Reuters. The U.S. federal prosecutors on Thursday charged a Massachusetts judge and court officer with conspiracy and obstruction, saying they blocked an immigration and customs enforcement officer from arresting an illegal immigrant at a 2018 court proceeding. The move marks the latest skirmish over immigration between President Donald Trump's administration and local governments who have resisted his crackdown. The state's Democratic Attorney General called the charges politically motivated. What do you think the releasing of the illegal immigrant in the background was? If that was the Obama administration, you would not have done that. You would have released him into the custody of it. But because it was Donald Trump, you took this criminal and tried to shuttle him out the back door. Knowing he's a criminal, knowing he's a threat to society, you said, screw you, it's Donald Trump. Okay. The charges target Massachusetts District Court Judge Shelley Joseph, 51, and Massachusetts Trial Court Officer Wesley McGregor, 56. They focus on the April 2018 hearing in a Newton District Court outside Boston, where an immigration and customs enforcement officer intended to arrest an unidentified suspected illegal immigrant from the Dominican Republic facing a drug charge. They described a huddled conversation between the judge and the defendant's lawyer in which Joseph asks, ICE is going to arrest him, and later says, I'm not going to allow them to come in here. She then arranged for the suspect to be released through the court's rear door while the ICE agent waited in the courtroom's lobby for him to emerge. Now, we have all seen this before. We have seen this kind of illegality taking place constantly from these people. And it's about time they faced the law. It's about time they faced justice for their constant illegal criminality that is based strictly on their political politics of the day. If that had been the Obama administration, he would have been frickin' right into the ICE, and he would have been on his way back to frickin' the Dominican Republic. There's no doubt in my mind that would have happened. But because we gotta stick up for this, and we gotta thumb our noses because it's Donald Trump. We gotta go after that orange Hitler. You know, the Cheeto Fuhrer? We will stop him. I will sit up there and not let my courtroom be used for justice. I will not let it be used to illegally harass this this poor, innocent migrant that is in my courtroom because he's committed other crimes. But that doesn't matter. They should be allowed to come to the United States, and they should be allowed to commit crimes. What is wrong with you? How could you try and deport him? That's what passes for justice in the great Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Now, when I was in the service, we used to call the people who lived in Massachusetts massholes. And they have lived up to it, their name. But finally now, Trump has got somebody in the Justice Department who's saying enough of this bull crap. We are going to start holding people accountable to the letter of the law. And if you frickin' lunatic lefties don't like it, change the law. Go out there and tell everybody how you intend to change the law. Go right ahead. Because you won't be in office very long. Because the American people now are watching. Now, I suspect that this story won't see a lot of airplay. I suspect that most people won't be showing this. But you're going to hear it here. All right, everybody. Thanks for listening. And I'll try and get another video out a little bit later, either today or tomorrow. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.